Yo, what's up, what's up? So, just got back from the gym. This week I'm upping my cardio. So I'm doing, last week I did 20 minutes. Now, today I just finished 30 minutes. And it was a really good workout, okay? It was I was sweating a lot and barely cooling down right now. Well, cooling down I've been cooling down for like 5 minutes because I'm not sweaty, obviously. My shirt is wet. If I show you the shirt, it's wet. Look at, boom. Boom, what? So I've been uploading to Redbubble. I upload to Redbubble not so much because like a lot of my uploaders, they don't like to upload to Redbubble because the reason being is just like it takes so much time and it's it's very time consuming. So I've been uploading Redbubble, Teespring, Cafe Press, and Spreadshirt. I've been testing out this program. It's still in the beta. You can't use it yet, but I've been like analyzing Redbubble and I wanted to show you guys like a couple of tricks and tips like that. I have about maybe 12 sales on Redbubble, but I've been uploading every day this month, okay? And I have 2 shirt sales. I sold a shirt and I got like a $9 profit, and then I sold another shirt and it sold and I got a $4 profit. But the thing is though, those shirts haven't sold on Amazon. Actually, one of the shirts sold like 2 days ago on Amazon, and it sold on Redbubble before Amazon. So that's you know what I mean? You got to think about that. Okay, think about that for a second, because it's like, like, what would happen like if I uploaded like all of my designs on Redbubble? What would happen? Like, you know, you'll make more sales, and maybe like it might be a lot more work, but you're still making profit, you know what I mean? So like if you're making even 200 or 300 bucks a month from Redbubble, and I've been uploading pretty much like 5 times a week. I mean 5 times a week since March started. So that's a good sign right there. So I want to show you guys like what I look at when I upload, and like how I research for tags, because tags are very important. The shirts that I have sold, like I really haven't put too much in the title. So it's I sold a St. Patrick's Day shirt, and then I sold a darts, playing darts. I sold one of those shirts, and that one hasn't sold on Amazon at all yet. And I'm surprised like someone purchased it, okay, for a shirt. And I've been selling a lot of stickers too, because I had designs up there from like 3 months ago or so. And yeah, so let's get right into this video. Let's give some good stuff. Different platform. I actually made a sale on Spreadshirt too as well. We'll kind of go over that a little bit in this video too, just to show you. I really haven't looked at Spreadshirt too much, but they have a lot of great designs on there. So let's get into it. Check it out. Yo. Okay, so here we go. Getting into Redbubble. Alright, I've been uploading a little bit on here. I have a total of 33 sales all time. I have 3 sales this month already. I have one shirt that I sold, I think it was like $34. It was like a women's blend type of shirt or something like that. And then I'm not sure the other shirt was like a $24 sale. And then I sold a sticker. I sell stickers all day long, okay? I was like, oh, gotta sell. Check a sticker, 20 cents or something like that. But the shirts, of course, are the higher profit margins, of course. I'm pretty sure the hoodies are. The hoodies would be nice to sell every once in a while. So, of course, okay, when you go on to any other platform, the algorithm is going to be a little different. It's not like Amazon where we get all this traffic and stuff like that. So it's you have to have a whole different mindset when you're coming on to Redbubble. And I pretty much been uploading all my designs that I've been uploading to merch this month onto Redbubble. So I wanted to show you guys this little tip, this little trick right here. All my stuff, it has like an okay description. I've been testing out this program that it's in beta right now. It hasn't been released yet, but I've been like analyzing and see like what's like. I look at a top seller. I'm pretty sure it's a top seller because it's on a first page or whatever. And I just look at the description, look at the title. And my titles are very basic. The description's like probably like 1 or 2 sentences, very basic. But my tags, I have all the tags in there. And I think that's a very important strategy when you're uploading to Redbubble. So I wanted to share that strategy with you guys. and you get ideas, and then also too you can get ideas from the tags, and when you get ideas from the tags, you can make more designs and stuff like that. Just gonna kind of just, you know what I mean. So what we're gonna do is gonna come in here, go into women's, and go to t-shirts. Let that load up. All right, now we're in here, and you can see like the price points on these shirts right here. I think I have like a 20% or 23% profit margin, or 24%, something like that. Yeah, so as you can see, like most of these designs on here, like they're pretty artistic. A few of them, they're made with Photoshop, but some of them you're like, okay, they actually had to hand draw these designs or something, because like you look at it, they're like very unique and they're different. But like the shirts that I sold a St. Patrick's Day shirt, and then I sold like I said, I sold a dart shirt. And they're not like very artistic at all, and just like one's trending and one's just evergreen. Evergreen is like a shirt that will sell all year round, which is a dart shirt, you know what I mean. St. Patrick's Day only sells when it's St. Patrick's Day. I get March for Our Lives. Don't put that on Amazon. Elvis shirt, that's like, so there's stuff on here too that you see, you're like, okay, are they allowed to sell this on here? Don't be that person where you see something like, oh, maybe I can put this on Amazon. No, don't do that. Let's see. I'm trying to find. I glass. Okay, let's see this. And if I click on your shirt, yeah, I just click on your shirt. Nothing to say. Don't DM me. DM me and complain. Okay. Oh, for Fox sake. Okay, let's click on that one. All right, load up. Okay. Now this is a good design. It's a very basic design. Basic sells. You know what I mean? It's on the front page of a women's t-shirt. Okay, that's like if someone went on there, they went to the women's and they clicked on t-shirt, this popped up on the front page. So obviously this has to be making sales, because if it was on the front page and it wasn't making sales, there's like, you know what I mean, there's something wrong with the algorithm, or there's something not right. Like if this is making sales, they obviously are putting it on the front page. Hopefully that makes sense. So what I do is, like, let's say if I'm in this niche, let's say for example I'm in I made a similar shirt like this, and I'm in the fox niche, okay, or niche, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going in here, and I see this shirt right here. Like right away, you can see it has 89 reviews, or no, just that shirt, I believe, or is it this actual shirt, or just like the blend of the whatever. I'm not too sure on that. Okay. So I'm going down. You can see there's other related shirts to this. Okay, I'm going down and look at, boom. Okay, so these tags right here are obviously helping this shirt rank. You know what I mean? So it's very important. See, with Redbubble, if you have good tags, don't come in here and like kind of mix it up a little bit, but just get an idea. You can come in here and take some of these some of these tags, like funny, nice, stuff like that. And then you can put them in your listing. So this is very important, is to give you an idea, because I know some people, they get confused like with tags and they don't know what to put in there. And you like when you have to have good tags on Redbubble, or you're not gonna make any sales. You might make a sale here and there, but it's better to have tags, because it's gonna like generate traffic to your shirt. So that's a big thing right there. So for example, okay, there's something right here. Okay, there's this one right here for the tags for the Fox niche. Okay, so that's just an idea, so you can come in here and see what's going on. And obviously some tags, they give you some ideas of what other shirts you can make too as well. So keep that, when you're doing that, keep an open mind to see like what else is selling. And yeah, so let's go up here. Let's type in Earth Day shirt and see what pops up. Let's click on, oh, nice one. What we got in here? What we got? Respect. What we got? Let's click on the number one. Let's go back real fast. Let's see that. And then when I typed in Earth Day shirt too as well, there's 5,021 results. Okay, kind of just give you an idea. Earth Day every day. Okay. Let this load up. Okay. And do the same exact thing. We're gonna go down, and you can see it has it on different types of products too. So also when you upload to Redbubble, it's gonna upload to different types of products to you for if you choose it. Like if you choose it to upload to those. And this guy's portfolios, it's pretty good. Going down the same exact thing. Look at, okay, now with the tags, what I did was type in Earth Day shirt. Okay, on Redbubble, think about it. You're a customer, you type in, I want an Earth Day shirt, and look what's popping up. Like these are the tags. So for example, I will take some of these tags. Okay, I'll take some of these tags, and then I will upload them for the Earth Day niche, and this is basically going to generate more traffic to my listing. Okay, so that get an idea right there. Like look, you can come in here and just, let's see, plant life. So when I clicked on like just environment, like it popped up like different stuff like this. Perspective mother, like, so you get the idea. Okay, so when you have good tags, your product's gonna be shown more. Like people are gonna search for it. Let's do. And I'm just doing stuff that I'm just like, these are up and coming trends that are coming up. So I'm just doing like clicking on stuff. So Earth Day, Cinco de Mayo is coming up. These are the next trends that are coming up. So I just wanted to show you guys that, and like you can just get ideas from this. Like same exact thing. Like let's click on it and let's see what type of tags are here. So when you make, say when you upload, let's say you upload like 80 designs for Cinco de Mayo. You know what I mean? Like you have an idea. So when you upload these 80 designs, you already have all these good tags right here ready to go. So yeah, I just want to show you guys, like, okay, on Redbubble, like these tags right here, like you have to have good tags in order for you to rank better on Redbubble. So hopefully that makes sense for you guys. And then like there's like, look at Cinco de Mayo drinking team. That's a shirt idea right there, you know, like just stuff like that. So just give you guys an idea, and make sure you guys have your tags in your Redbubble listings, just to help you generate more sales. I know I don't have that many sales, but I'm gonna upload every single month, and I've been uploading. So yeah, you guys have any questions, let me know down below.